Okay guys, back at you, RR&T Customs. We went with a different route to fix this side. Dang, I should have brought my chair over because my back's hurting today. So I'm going to show you. So anyways, what we did is right in here, you can see right here, I'm not going to touch it because it's probably still hot. We welded in a nut instead of doing a plate because we're not sure if the owner might want to try to go back to this, but later if we paint the vehicle we will be repairing all this and going over those options. But for now we welded in a nut instead of doing the plate idea, which the plates are here protecting the seat from the welding and sparks a little bit. We got what we had here is we had two nuts that have a built-in washer. We put them on a bolt like this. We cheated it out. As you can see the depth there, we kept the bolt back and we ground it down with our grinder there until we only had about just under half the meat there. We just got it down. So that way when you put it in here, you're going to put it to where the washer side is to the outside like this. So you can tack that to the face. But behind here you don't have a bunch of meat like built out and kicking the little square plate here in the back all angled and cockeyed, right? But this is a good way to repair. I've done this before, that's why I just did it again. And the main reason is because the lip of that washer out here being higher isn't going to matter when this is all concaved and I have to lead patch this and then re-drill this hole. So that's the secret. Is next we're going to be drilling this out to the same size as this, then we're going to be lead patching all this low and all this dent in, and then we'll be filing and sanding it so it's all back to metal, and we'll show you the end results. Okay guys, so this is just a quick tip. We're going to leave the cutouts for now. If he doesn't like them, we can always weld them back in with some little angle, patch it back in with the lead because it'll melt the lead patch out, and then we'll go from there again, and then we'll paint the whole vehicle if that's what he's looking for at that point. But I just wanted to get back with you guys on RR&T Customs. Like I said, we're going to keep going with videos as we get projects from people and as we can get material for our own projects. But as everybody knows, we just got to hustle harder to get those materials because times are harder right now. This is concaved in, but we're going to, I tried to pop it as much as I could with the dent puller. I think I got it where it's going to be okay. I'll just get in there with some lead patching. We'll reshape that. Some of this is a little bit more off right here than I expected. I'm going to have to do some hammering. It's a little high right here, which might pop this a little different. But we got a lot of work to do here, guys. So peace and prosperity to all. Down with the haters, up with the participators. Keep on pushing. Don't let anybody tell you that it's not possible to do these things on your own. Not a big deal. I even filed the bottom of the washer from round to flat with a triangle file right there. So we bought this set at the Harbor Freight and they're working really good for us. It's a big set. Comes with round, two flats, and a triangle. And we use them a lot. So great tools. And they're holding up. So that's it, guys. We just switched to a nut instead of a cutout with a plate and marking both. We just figured a way to make it a little quicker today for now until we can get into body work and doing the whole thing the right way. So for now, this is the quick fix. We'll show you the permanent fix later if we do this vehicle. All right, guys. Have a good evening.